Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for staying tuned to my channel. This is Sensational Lifestyle Retelling. So I got a new printer. So I've used the ink that came with the printer. Now I'm going to replace it. So the reason why I want to do this video is to show people that have bought this printer newly and the ink got finished easily, so quick. So you don't just go to the shop. Why I want to do this video is to let you know that once the ink is finished, you cannot just go to the shop directly to go and buy ink. What you have to do, because this is a mistake that I made, so I don't want you to make that mistake again. It was really stressful for me. I have to go to the shop directly. I want to buy ink for HP printer. So when I got there, they have to ask me some numbers that are behind the ink pack. So I said, that I don't know about that. I have to go back home just because of that number. I have to go back home to go and look for the number. So actually what they really need is that this is in this ink here. They will tell you replace with number 305 or 305x large for the pink. So this is what you will look for to replace it. Number 300, I say replace with 305 or 305XL. So that is that. So I will look for the pink. So this is the new one I bought. The new one that I bought. The ink doesn't stay longer. You just print one or two things and it's gone. It's so annoying. It's really annoying. And the ink is so expensive. This one that I bought is 26 euro. For this small thing, 26 euro. It's not really nice, eh? I have to put it like this. How did I remove it again? I have to remove this one like this and get. This is the black of it. This is the black. This small thing 28 euros. So really, please put it. Everything is inside now. It's well fixed. So if you want to go and buy, this is the carton that I used to replace it. 305 black plus 305. So this is it. This is it, guys. It was really stressful for me and I really wanted to use the printer for that day. I could not get it to use for my daughter for school. It was so discouraging. After all the time I took to go to that place, to Media Mart, I have to come back home again and I could not go back to buy it because it was getting late. Before I would go back to Media Mart, they would have closed. So I just have to wait. On Saturday, today, I have to go and get it. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this video. So I just want you to know that before you go to buy you have to go and buy your ink. Please check the old ink box first. This is the old one. So this is what they will tell you to replace it with. You replace it with the old ink, the direction that they gave. You can still see for the black one, the black, they still tell you the same thing. Replace with that. So thank you guys. Have a nice day and stay tuned. Bye.